Poor Auntie Moonpie got a bopping from Callie that time. Oh, bless. No, Roger. He's got the advantage on this one. I think Callie's going to go in with a side jump. Yeah, it's looking like a side jump. Yeah! And a nice tumble. Oh, submission. Whoa, that was round one, definitely to Roger. Callie definitely submitted then. Roger let her up, the gentleman that he is. I think he was trying to lull her into a full sense of security. Then he did a little dance before the takedown. Nice wrestling style. Nothing like a bit of theatrics. Just waiting to see who makes the next move. It looks like it could be Roger. Trying to keep her down and tell her to just behave. But no, she's... I think she wants to go another round. Don't think we've got a full timeout yet. No, she's definitely going to go another round. He's warning her. He's got the foot up to say, if you do it, you know, I'm not going to hold back. This will be the final round. The tail is swishing. Oh, dirty move. Callie took a chunk out of the tail. And it looks like she's going to do the same again. Dirty tactics. Oh, dear. Oh, no. Roger preempted it, and it's a takedown. Oh, that was close. He nearly had her that time. Ah! Did the back attack. Sneaky. Nice move, Roger. And Callie's ready for him this time. No, Roger's saying, look, just walk away. It's 1-0. Leave it at that, or it's going to be embarrassing, and I'll take you down again. Callie's saying, no, come on, just one more. Let me try and win my dignity back. I can take you. She's definitely going to try. She's definitely going to try. Oh, she wants to. She wants to. Look at the concentration. Roger's just circling. Wants a water break. But no, Callie's not letting him. Yep. Okay, time out. Ding, ding. To your corners, please. Callie's just doing a bit of tone-up exercise. A bit of practice biting. Practice grip, not too bad. Annie's watching on for the sidelines, giving her a bit of coaching expertise. And of course, Roger is just having a quick water break. So let's see now. I think he's done. I think he's done. Callie's coming back into the ring. No, she's still practicing. Okay. This water break's taking a bit too long, guys. I think maybe Roger might be calling it time. He's going in with the hand. I think he's, excuse me, washing his face as well. Okay. Callie, you calling a timeout? You calling it time, love? You come to see the umpire. You want it time? Are you calling time? Are you going to go again? I know he's taking an awful long time, isn't he? Yeah, I know. What can I do? What can I do? Oh. No. He's checking the water level with his paw as he always does. Okay. I know, but I don't know what to do, darling. He's on a very long break. I know you just want to take him down and earn your dignity back. But what can I do? What can I do? Take the water off him, Mum. Make him fight me. Make him fight me. I can't, sweetheart. Yeah, I know, Annie. I totally agree. I know, but what can I do? Do you want to come into the ring? Annie? Okay, we got Trouble. Having a chat with Annie on the sidelines. Okay, I think that was... okay, that was Trouble telling Annie that the match is over, I think. I think the ref has entered the ring, and I think we can honestly say it's a timeout. Are we over? Okay, you're kissing and making up. Excellent. Right, Roger. Very good boy. Okay, you won that one. Okay, you did. Clever Roger. Clever Roger. Clever Roger. Clever Roger. Yay! Roger the champ. Woo! Okay, next time, Callie, you'll run her up. Come on, come and say hi. Okay, you did well, darling. Considering you're welterweight and he's lightweight, isn't it? I think you did well, darling. You got one round. Come on. You nearly had him. You nearly had him. And Trouble's gone to support her boy, the Tuxedo Clan. Yep, he won, Trouble. You've been teaching him well, darling. Oh, meanwhile, Kelly's trying to get some practice in on my leg. No. No, Hooli. Hooli. Okay, see now the match is over. Everybody's coming out. What are we trying to do? Assess who's going to go up next. Well, I think we'll leave that for another day. So, in the wrestling ring today, we had Roger. Hashtag Roger the Cat, the winner. Woo-hoo. And runner-up. In the welterweight, we had Callie. That's it from us. We will see you next time in the ring. Don't forget, if you like what we do, like, subscribe, share and take care. Say hello in the comments below. Lots of love. Don't forget, stay safe. Be cool. Bye-bye. Isn't that right, Anna? Bye-bye.